Welcome to your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Charlie.
嗨，大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。
Well, today's dialogue will introduce us to somebody at the airport.
在机场有各种人，有旅行的人，有回家的人，还有什么人呢？
Well, you know what they say, is it business or pleasure? I think business. So somebody on a business trip?
哦，对，出差的人。今天啊，就有一个出差的人在下飞机之前接了一通电话。他们到底说了什么呢？让我们一起来看吧。
Let's get down to business.
喂，林助理啊，
喂，是尼克吗？我在机场，你到了吗？
刚降落，我要出机舱了。
终于到了啊！欢迎欢迎。
谢谢，我的航班延误了半小时，让您久等了，真不好意思。
没事，我在1号航站楼的到达大厅等你。
好，我入关后马上打给您。
不急不急，慢慢来。你要通过边检，还得取行李，这些入境手续是很费时的。
是啊，恐怕得让您再等一会儿了。
没关系，祝你通关顺利，等等见。
So it seems like Nick is on the phone with somebody.
对，林助理。
All right, so they make some small talk, and then we get to a line which I think is very interesting.
让我们来看一下吧。Nick 说：“刚降落，我要出机舱了。”
All right, so Nick says, "Oh, I've arrived. I'm about to leave the plane."
第一个词是降落，降落都是4声，它的意思啊也是往下去的意思。
Yeah, both words means to fall, to drop, or to lower. But together, I think it means to land. I know this because I know the word for parachute in Chinese.
哦，降落伞。
So while we're at it, do you know the word for take off?
起飞。
Now, do you know what a 起飞伞 is?
起飞伞有这个东西吗？
Oh, yes, of course.
我不知道。
Oh, I know a word that Lin doesn't know. Well, to understand his word, you got to watch the movie Mary Poppins.
不要开玩笑了，让我们回到对话吧。我要出机舱了，机舱。
Okay, that's pretty much, I'm about to step off the plane, but the word 机舱, I think it means cabin.
舱。
Well, I got a question. What if the cabin is not on the plane? Do we still use 机舱? Maybe it's on a ship?
哦，那不行。船上的舱，我们就叫它船舱。
Perfect. Well, back to the cabin on an airplane. Some cabins are actually very luxurious. 非常豪华的。
非常豪华的。我们叫它头等舱。
That's right. First class. I think that's just a little bit over my budget. Do we have anything cheaper?
哦，比头等舱更便宜一点的，我们叫它商务舱。
That's great too. Business class. But I'm afraid I can't even afford that. Anything else? Maybe nudge a bit?
那也没关系，我们还有更便宜的经济舱。
That's the one that I usually take. Economy.
现在林助理知道 Nick 出机舱了，所以他说：“终于到了，欢迎欢迎。”
Then Miss Lin, the assistant, says, "Oh, you finally arrived. Welcome."
接着 Nick 说：“谢谢，我的航班延误了半小时。”
Then Nick says, "Thank you. Oh, but my flight was delayed for half an hour."
我们先来看一下航班延误。
航班, I think that's flight, right? Well, can we use 航班 with any other way?
当然可以啊。 比如说我在 A1234航班上。
Oh, that's very useful, like the flight number. What was it? A1234, right? That's the flight number.
好，我们再往下看，航班延误。延误这个词，我们要怎么解释一下呢？
Yeah, I believe that means to be delayed. And the way we use it is we put a time after it. Lynn, do you have any good examples for us?
当然，会议延误了1小时。
So that's the meeting has been delayed for 1 hour.
本来9点就要开会了，结果10点才开，所以会议延误了1小时。
That's all right. I never liked meetings.
接下来他说让您久等了。
So word for word, that means I let you wait a long time, like 让您. But it's pretty much an apology for being late.
有一点抱歉的意思在里面。然后他又说真不好意思。
Yeah, I'm sorry. So Nick is a very polite person. So Miss Lynn is waiting for Nick and ready to pick him up.
对，林助理啊是来接机的。
But do we know where?
我们继续看，林助理说我在1号航站楼的到达大厅等你。这里面啊有2个词，在机场一定可以看到。第一个就是航站楼。
That would be terminal, and in the dialogue, it was terminal 1.
还有一个就是到达大厅。
That would be arrival hall.
有到达大厅，就一定有出发大厅。
Arrival hall, now we have departure hall.
大家在机场的时候一定要注意看一下，千万不要走错哦。
So Nick says, sure, I'll call you upon arrival.
好，我入关后马上打给你。我们先来看一下入关这个词。
All right, I think with this, we need to chop it up as well and focus on the second word, 关. I think that's part of the word 海关, right?
对。
Meaning customs. So 入关 would literally mean to go through customs. Oh, wait, I've actually heard of a word that's similar. 入境, is that right?
哦，入境，入境啊，跟入关是差不多的意思。
All right, so I guess they both mean arrival, but I think 入关 focuses more on going through the customs, while 入境 means you pass the border and you're into the country.
没错，那我们有了入关、入境，自然也会有出关和出境。
Same logics, meaning departure.
林助理说：“不急不急，慢慢来。”
So Miss Lin says, there's no rush, take your time.
为什么可以慢慢来呢？我们继续看。他说：“你要通过边检，还得取行李。” 我们先来看通过边检，通过。
Okay, that's easy. To go through.
边检，边检就是边防检查。
Okay, so that gets abbreviated into 边检. Okay, makes life easy.
接着他说还得取行李，取行李，取一个动词，一个动作。
I got it. That's to get, to get your luggages. But I got a question though. What about the area where you go to get your bags?
我们把取行李的地方啊，可以叫做行李领取处。
Okay, like the baggage claim area.
最后他说，这些入境手续是很费时的。什么是入境手续呢？
That's like all the procedures you got to go through upon arrival. And apparently, they're very time consuming.
哦，那真的很费时。费时啊，就是花更多的时间的意思。Nick 有些抱歉，所以他说：“是啊，恐怕得让您再等一会儿了。”这里有一个词，恐怕。
Yeah, 恐怕 just means afraid. And you can use it to deliver bad news, like, I'm afraid that something bad's going to happen.
恐怕啊，一般接的都是坏消息。最后，林助理说：“没关系，祝你通关顺利，等等见。”
So Miss Lin says, no worries. Oh, and the next line?
祝你通关顺利。
That literally means good luck going through customs. But what I think she means is maybe she hopes that there's not a long line at custom or anything. After our detailed explanation, let's go back to our dialogue and review.
喂，林助理啊，
喂，是尼克吗？我在机场，你到了吗？
刚降落，我要出机舱了。
终于到了啊！欢迎欢迎。
谢谢，我的航班延误了半小时，让您久等了，真不好意思。
没事，我在1号航站楼的到达大厅等你。
好，我入关后马上打给您。
不急不急，慢慢来。你要通过边检，还得取行李，这些入境手续是很费时的。
是啊，恐怕得让您再等一会儿了。
没关系，祝你通关顺利。等等见。
今天我们一起了解了一些机场用语。
Well, it seems like Nick had a long and adventurous day. So he took a long flight, and I think he had fun at the airport. So Lynn, what do you think will happen with Nick now?
我想 Nick 跟林助理应该已经见面了，他们会讨论一下接下来的行程。
I think they'll go on a date. Like love at first sight.
也许吧。你们想知道 Charlie 猜的对不对吗？那就要继续关注我们中文播客。我是杏林，
And I'm Charlie.
下次见，拜拜。
See you next time.
Now, here's a vocabulary recap.
降落，
To land.
机舱，
Cabin.
航班，
Flight.
延误，
To be delayed.
航站楼，
Terminal.
到达大厅，
Arrival hall.
入关，
Arrive. Or to go through customs.
通过，
To pass through or to go through.
边检，
Border inspection.
入境，
Arrive.
手续，
Procedures.
费时，
Time consuming.
恐怕，
Afraid.
通关。
Pass through customs.
Introducing ChinesePod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.